Donald Trump reveals the top online business model for 2025. I'm not talking about SMMA, reselling, OnlyFans management, e-commerce, drop shipping, and so on. No, Trump has decided what the winning online business model is, and that's what I'm going to explain to you in this video. So last week, Trump launched a meme coin, and it went to a $70 billion market cap. It doubled Trump's net worth, which he has been building for over 50 years as a very achieved entrepreneur. And it doubled his net worth overnight, literally overnight. 50 years worth of work to build a net worth in the multi-billion dollars, doubled overnight. And to do this, he used what I think is the hottest online business model of 2025, and that is launching and growing your own crypto project. The upside in this business model is completely different to any other online business opportunity like the ones I mentioned at the start of this video. It is insane. And in addition to this, by launching and growing his own crypto projects, he's validated this online business model, not just by the money he's made, but the fact that you can do this. The US has been super harsh on crypto over the last 4 years, with Gensler coming after even the good guys in the industry. But now that's over, and Trump has stuck a fork in the road to say it's over, and he said, okay, I'm launching my own crypto project, so why can't you? And the craziest part about this for me is that Trump could have chosen any business model to leverage to make the most of his time in power. A lot of people that come into power, they might create more favorable conditions for the enterprises they might already have, or they might do certain deals and bits of business and contracts and so on, which they benefit from, or choose other business models. But Trump didn't. He chose crypto, and it has paid off massively because he's doubled his net worth overnight. And he is now at the helm of the most powerful organization when it comes to crypto. And that's going to be the case for the next 4 years. But this isn't just about Trump launching his own token. That's not the only play that he has in the crypto market. He's also launched World Liberty Financial, which is a asset management financial services based play. And he's launching a token for this as well. And World Liberty Financial bought over $100 million worth of tokens over the weekend. So he's not only launching a community project, which is his almost meme coin, the Trump coin, but he's also launching a utility project in World Liberty Financial. So he's entered big positions in both sides of the crypto market. And it's clear to see that that's essentially how he looks to, profit massively from his term and the decisions that he makes, which will be favorable to crypto over the next 4 years. I'm telling you now, smart online entrepreneurs, online hustlers, they're going to be moving out of whatever online businesses that they're currently in, whatever models they're currently functioning, and they're going to dive headfirst into the business side of crypto. They're going to be launching and growing their own projects. They're going to be building other online businesses within the crypto field because the opportunity right now is so ripe. Trump has just validated it, and the upside is humongous. I'm not talking about trading and investing in crypto, i.e. the retail side. I'm talking about the business side of crypto, which Trump has just proven is where all of the money is and where the wealth is generated from. So these smart online hustlers and entrepreneurs, they're going to come into this market ASAP. They're going to take advantage of all of this current hype of Trump coming into office, build sustainable projects and grow them over Trump's term. And essentially, if they do it right, they might never need to do anything again in their life. This is literally a humongous opportunity. And that's why this is my first long form video on YouTube for such a long period of time, because I just have to say this. The problem that you're going to face right now watching this video is this might sound great, but how do you actually launch and grow a crypto project? At the moment, it's a pretty private science, I would say, and it's private for a reason, because there's dudes that are launching crypto projects, making millions of dollars. No one knows who they are, and they don't need to share it publicly because all that does is create more competition. And the gurus on platforms like YouTube, they're going to teach you how to buy into this coin that benefits them, trade this coin that benefits them, invest in this coin which benefits them. They're not going to teach you about the side of the industry which would enable you to have the knowledge and skill set to really identify good opportunities on that side, and more importantly, actually build a business in crypto. The question is, how do I actually know this? So over the past few years, I have been helping projects launch and grow in crypto via my growth company, Magnet. We've worked with some leading projects in the space, and we're also a part of the Forbes Business Council. And if we look at just the last 8 to 12 week period, we have added over $100 million to the global crypto market cap through some of the projects that we work with. So with the knowledge that I have, I want to try and help the people that watch this video and think, right, how do I get into the business side of crypto? This all sounds amazing. The opportunity is huge, but where do I actually start? Because no one teaches this online. So I've created an 8-minute video, which essentially will walk you through a blueprint behind how to enter the business side of crypto and what it takes to eventually launch and grow a crypto project successfully. So in the description of this video is a link to that video. Go and take a look at it, and hopefully it will help you discover whether this is the right opportunity for you to start pursuing, and it will open your eyes a little bit more, at least, to the inner workings of the crypto industry and where the wealth is really generated. Of course, you don't have to watch it. You can do what I did for the last 3 years, which is get in the trenches every single day, try to learn as much as possible about this space and do it all by yourself. Or you can just basically take the knowledge that I've acquired within 8 minutes and go and explore your journey from that moment onwards. Also, I'm going to be more active on this channel moving forward. So if you want to learn more about the business side of crypto, the science behind launching and growing a successful crypto project, the tips and tricks of the industry, the secrets of the industry, then drop me a subscribe and hopefully I can give you some value over the coming months. See you soon.